In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the web search on ChatGPT. So if you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So sometimes when you search for something on ChatGPT, you will want the model to search on the web. So to enable this option, all you need to do is go to your profile, then go to settings and go to personalization. So right here, we are going to scroll down to the bottom, click on advanced, and you should find new options like the web search. So it will let ChatGPT automatically search the web for answers. So just enable this option, save the changes, and now you are ready to go. If you want to make sure that the model is searching on the web, you can specify like search on the web about the news in the US, for example, and this way you will make sure that ChatGPT is using internet. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.